What's popping, guys? What's popping? Actually, the market of late. I don't know. I This is my traders at when did I place this trade? I think later yesterday evening, and currently the market is going down. Guys, how's it over on your side? Like, how's the trade? I'm hoping that it gets to maybe retrace and probably, but this is the best time for you to buy. You can buy the dip now, probably. The market is kind of doing a little bit of dips here. You can buy this dip and let's hope to ride this up. Like I said in my previous live stream, the market is currently correcting itself and kind of recovering. So this is very expectable. I expected this, but not that I expected this though. I was hoping I goes to some certain levels. We are looking at the 15-minute time frame. This is actually what's popping in the market now. Currently, I'm trading the MEA token against the USDT, and yes, this is what is actually happening in the market. If you are a mere uh, holder, kind of, can you just tell me what you think? I'd like to hear your opinion. You can share it in the comment section. Probably let's talk about it in the community, guys. Just in space of yesterday and today, it has been. In fact, space of last 2 days, it has been crazy. I don't want to say the amount I lost holding, but this is very obtainable in trades normal. So yeah. Actually, this is kind of making a downtrend. I was hoping the market mitigate some point, but I don't. This it's obtainable. What do you think is happening at this point? You can share it with me in the comment section. Yeah. Yes. Let's rub minds together. What do you think is actually happening at this point? Yeah. Before I continue with this live, I just want to quickly share the links to people that are kind of interested in this live because I'll try to want some kind of engagement so that we can yeah, make it quite interesting. Yes. So actually this is what's happening, and at this point I'm still holding the buy, but I'm still holding onto the buy, but currently this market is doing at this point. I am already so afraid. I think I'm going to opt this market or leave this market in any moment from this time. But I'll be right back. Maybe if you stumble on this live while I post, just know that I'll be right back. I just have to share the link. Please stay with me, stay with us. Thank you guys for tuning in. I'll be right back. Yeah, guys, welcome back again. I'm back, guys. So, like I said, I've already. So, mm, this is making a very strong downtrend. Even the market broke the support I was expecting. I thought it's not going to break that support because I thought the support was quite a strong one. I think I saw that support in the 1 hour time frame. That's why I said you should back test. I thought it is not going to. So now seeing that that's broken this support here, because this was what was giving me hope because the market kept coming back to this point, and now it has broken it. I think this sell is going to be really strong. What do you think is happening in this market by this time? You can just share in the comment section. What do you think is happening now? I'll probably let's talk about it in the Telegram our community. Guy, this is really massive, guys. But actually, let's look on the brighter side. You can still buy this dip at this point, probably buy it, and now that it's going cheaper before it gets to 0.02, because that's where I look at the market getting to before the end of this month. So yes, and yes, welcome back, guys. Again, if you are joining this live, maybe you stumbled on it. Welcome to my life at P4 Spire. At this, I'm going to be sharing a lot of insights about the MEA token, about Mecca Project Mecca, and the likes. So stay tuned. That's what we're going to be doing here. And I'm currently live trading MEA token against the USDT. So if you're confused as how to do that, just go to your BingX. This is currently happening in the BingX app. Just download the BingX app from the Play Store or your Apple Store. Then when you've downloaded it, and you probably can fund it with a little dollar or thereabouts. Then go to the search bar and search the MEA token. Just search it, capital MEA, and it's going to come out. So that's what we're currently trading. And if you are watching, you can join us by opening your BingX app and let's trade this thing together. Please always do well to react. Yeah, it's very important. At least react so that I know that I'm making some impact via this life. So that aside, currently, um thinking maybe, what do you think? Should I leave this buy to keep going or should I sell at this point? Because I don't know what's currently happening in the market. I just came into to just take a look at what's happening in the market about some hours ago. Sorry. And now, and it was not at this point, but some minutes into the time. That's about this 1 hour. This I think 6. Wow, that's when this happened. And I was not in the market to spot all this that was happening. If not, I would have probably sold. Uh, but let's not panic. A lot of us are already having FOMO, but I think it's okay for us to buy at this point. What do you think? For those of you that have done a proper analysis, why don't you share what you think on this market? You can do a lot of back tests, but I don't want to start doing that in the live because I don't want to start boring. So, but maybe we're going to do a couple of that probably. But before that, I would like to also share other insights onto Project Mecca and the MEA token, which is the powerhouse of the Mecca, the utility token of Mecca. And then, yes, and all things you have to know about Mecca. Currently, if you're looking forward to join the Telegram community or the X community, you can just join via the link in my description below. It's currently in the description box. So just click on this video and go to the description. You will see the X page there, and you see the Telegram community. You can join there, and also you can also see the Zilly sprint that's currently going on. I told you that they are on their fourth sprint currently. Yes, and it went live on the 17th of November 2025. So you're not late, you're still not late. This is another way for you to make incomes and the better incomes for yourself, and to keep up with the trade. Yes, and keep up with the moving trade and keep up with the ecosystem and a whole lot of things. Alright, this market, okay, as at when was that? When the market was at 0. This is crazy, guys. This is really, really. But we hope for the best. All this is what we see. And for those that are holding, can you tell me what you think? What do you think? Share your comments, share your opinions. Let's rub minds together. Let us connect. Let us connect. I thought that was a strong support at this point. I was something because the price kept coming and going back, bouncing off. If you look at other parts, it gave us like a strong, sweet. What was that angle? So I didn't expect, but let us because currently the market is now that I've said we should start by drawing a lot of pattern, candlestick pattern, but uh, at this point, I think we're going to make use of what's currently happening in the market. Sorry, guys, I'll be right back. I'll be right back. Just in split seconds, I'll be right back. So welcome back, guys. Damn, market is still going down. It's really going down. Damn, how am I going to buy my Lamborghini? I'm going to make this back. But no panic, not to panic. We're still going to hit that higher high, guys. Just currently, the market in crypto has taken a very big hit. I got a lot of people like I actually will see it by there. We'll see a green candle. We see a green candle. So people are already hopping and buying that deep. Buy it, guys. And don't snooze on this. We're gonna buy the Lamborghini. We're gonna buy that back. Actually, just that's by the way. So yeah, currently I'm trading the MEA token against the USDT. If you are confused as to what's going on in this live, maybe you stumble and be like, hey guys, what's going on in this live? That's actually what's going on in this live. And into this live, I'm going to be sharing a lot of things like more insight you need to know about Project Mecca and about the MEA token. So guys, stay tuned, stay tuned. This is going to come back. The market is still going to meet again. It's going to probably retest. We don't know, but let's watch this market to see what actually happens here at this point, because the bears are in this market and they are very aggressive. No Lamborghini, but that's by the way. Yeah, welcome once again. Please always do well to. Yeah, the green candle is coming in. Green candle is coming in. Buy up on this market. So welcome again. You can do well to represent your country wherever you're watching from in the comment section, guys. Yes, yeah. So do well to share this video with a lot of your friends, your family, even your enemies. Yes, I see that movement. I love what is going on at this point. Let's keep with the positive energy. All bullish. I mean, of course, so the market price as at when I started this life, but now it's hopping back to 0.09, where it's going to be stable for the moment, and I'm hoping by the end of November 2025 we are going to hit 0.02. What do you think? Share your thoughts in the comment section below. And yes, news flash, I just wanted to use this also to share this news that the MEA token is also listed on BingX and the Mecca Global Code. Here you can buy, you can swap, you can sell, you can stake too. So do well to stake. I have a lot of holders that have been holding in. That's Mecca believers, those of us that believe so much in this project Mecca. How you all doing? I hope and I wish that most of them were able to join this live at this point, because I would have loved that this live is going to be very interactive. I love that it will be. But if you are currently at this live, please signify or probably leave a like, leave a thumbs up. But if you're going to watch this live too, maybe after now, I'm going to leave it in the comment section. I'm going to leave it in my video library, so you can just do well to join. I'm going to still share the links for those that might not be able to join this live at this particular point. Yes, so that's what I keep doing. I share it, and they also help me share it to other communities. Let us learn, let us grow together. Yes, and that's one of the attributes of community building, what you get to learn from building community, because building community is actually like a marathon, guys. And yes, and building tokens like a Mecca and the MEA token is actually, it's not easy, but we are getting there. I'm so happy that the market is still pretty stable, as the token is pretty stable so far, despite all the backlashes, the heat, the blows they happen in the crypto space. So yes, Mecca or MEA token is one thing you should be holding. Hold, do not snooze, because we're hoping to get that back before the end of December. Now December is here again. December is close, and a lot of us are probably this altcoin season are probably holding coins. So if you're looking into tokens to hold, why don't you look into the MEA token and hold? So this is not any form of yap or hype or whatever. So yes, so why this market is going, let's see. Let's be optimistic. I'm still holding my buy positions, by the way, just so you know, or just hoping that it does not get rejected. We just hope it goes towards maybe 0.01 price market thereabout, and we hope but just more of hopes here at this point. Just for the purpose of this live stream. So probably if you are in your life now, if you're probably in the BingX app or probably trading this token with me, let me know what you think. Are you actually still holding? Were you in profit? Were you in loss? Yeah, for a couple of weeks so far, like starting from Monday till this moment. Were you in profit? Were you in loss? Let me know. Let me know. Let me know via the comment section. Or just leave that, or let us discuss more about it in the Telegram community. So yes, currently let me share a little bit of insight onto Mecca, why this trade is going. I'm so happy that the bulls are getting into this market. Seeing this engulfing at this point, this is in the 1 hour time frame. I'm just hoping in 15-minute time. Let's see what the market did there. Wow, this is a very huge move, and this is very beautiful. And one thing I know, I think one thing I've observed, when you're seeing a bullish engulfing in the downtrend, it shows there's a strong buy coming into the market. Let's keep our fingers crossed to hope and see. Probably because when this market broke at this point, yeah, this support broke this support. I don't know, but this support now, because I still need to do a lot of back test, so I'll be able to see the things, the interpretations on probably what the market is going. Probably if you enter this market took the buy, bought at this point, I think it's quite advisable to sell at this point. Yes, maybe sell and just keep up some profit. But I'm still going to hold my positions. You can sell it off now, sell it at this point. But if you are still strong-hearted and minded like me, you can just keep on. Let's ride up this thing. Let's see what the market is going to do. Let's see that it's at this point probably going to make a new high, because I think there's a lot of it's being oversold at the moment, and so we're going to see probably if there's going to be a higher high. So make a new higher high at this point, probably 0. Market might get to 0.01. Yeah, shit happens. So yeah, currently a disclaimer: this is not a financial advice. Do your own research. Always do your own research. I'm always big on doing your own research. And yes, I'm going to share you, I've said before, a lot of insights onto Project Mecca and what they have in store for its believers. Yes. I'll be right back, guys. I'll be right back. I'll use this opportunity to just hop into my X page to show you the authenticity. I don't know if I pronounced that right, of this project. And we're going to surf through the Telegram community to see for ourselves. Probably go through their website, check out their white paper, and also share a lot of a little nugget on how to stake the market. Probably, I'll be right back. I'll be right back. Don't touch that die. Stay tuned. Stay tuned. Stay tuned. Still strong-hearted and minded like me, you can just keep on. Let's ride up this thing. Let's see what the market is going to. Yeah, what up, guys? I'm back again. Currently, the bulls are still in the market. Let's hope. Let's hope that there's a lot of pressure to push this market to the upside. Actually, we have seen a structure. Market have currently made some structure. We can see a lot of lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. A little bit of consolidation here and there. But let's see. It's in a 1 hour time frame currently. If you're confused as to what this is. Have you seen any cooking done this 1, 2, 3 times? This is cool. So uh, this shows you we are seeing a lot of greens in the market. So it's not to panic, seeing a lot of greens and also seeing an equal number of reds in the market. So it just shows that yes, this token is quite advisable to hold. You can hold the MEA token. I'm holding the MEA token. I'm a proud holder of the MEA token or the MEA token, yes. And I'm also a proud believer of the Mecca project. And I've seen what they have to do, and I see the solutions that are providing to the Web3 space and the Web3 community at large. So let's key into this, and a lot of people from the community can also attest to this that I'm saying. Yes. If you're having doubts, why don't you join the Telegram community if you have doubts as to what I'm saying? The link is in my description below. Just go onto the description box in this video that you're currently watching, and you will see the Telegram link there. You can just join and see how lively the community is, how together we are oneness, and your life might, change for the better, because there's a lot of benefits there to learn. A whole lot. And when I'm saying a whole lot, I'm not just saying it for hearsay or mercy. I'm saying it because it is what it is what happened at the market. So while this trade is going on, guys, let us hop in straight to the Telegram community, and let me show you guys things that you need to see, things you need to know. We're going to also check out the X space, the community in X space. We also have a community on X. You can join the Mecca community on X and follow a couple of communities that Mecca is following, because one way or the other, you get to get something beneficial from it. Mind you, be you an NFT artist, a Web3, a Webtoon, a gamer, what have you, whatever you have to be, a creator or whatever space, whatever skill you have, Mecca got you covered. That's the ecosystem that currently building for a lot of us. And one thing you should know is that Mecca got you. That's all I can say. I don't have to speak a lot of English. I don't have to speak so much. You have to do your research, and yeah, so I'll pause this video for a couple of seconds, and I'm going to head straight into the Telegram community so we can see a lot of things for ourselves. And yes, George, is this okay to join? Is this, is this that? Yep. I'll be right back. Don't touch the die. Don't touch the die. So yo guys, welcome back again. I'm here at the sorry, something just happened. Oh damn. So yo guys, welcome back again. I think I got interrupted again by the ABS studio on YouTube, and I'm going to, and started reading all over again. So sorry if you got caught up or caught out. I think probably it's network issue. I don't know. So yes, I'm currently back in the Telegram, and this is the Telegram. I think this is the last post I made on X, the max text I said. So I was like replying to somebody that was preaching about Mecca, and so yeah, I think it was I would preach Mecca even in my church. I was like you. So yeah, I was just like vibing in the community. So yes, and there are more. I think I got said Mecca okay GM tips. Okay, that's why I was greeting them peeps. Fellow Mecca believers and all of them. Somebody saying here it's just they put their community first, and a prayer that does that will surely succeed. Is this not the truth? It's actually very big truth and not any from like saying the truth actually, because that's one thing you get to know about Mecca, Project Mecca. Currently there are about 34,000 messages. People are engaging in these communities, people are engaging. You are snoozing, honestly. Strong dev tools and support make it much easier for builders to plug in and help the ecosystem grow. Yeah, it's like it's true. And then just I'm gonna like onto that. Yep, love that. So sticking to promises actually, that's what that person meant, right? And enabling seamless swaps makes the MEA even more appealing to the community. And true, seamless swap. I told you you can swap currently, you can buy, you can sell, you can also stake the MEA token currently at this point. Just head on to the website. Probably if you're looking for a way to get into the website, you can just go to the X. You can click on the link in my description. Then you see the description. You see in the description of the X, the bio, you'll see the website of Mecca. If you're confused, you can just type in www.mecca.com and you get here straight into the Mecca website and you go straight and you stake. Because sometimes one of the ways of making that bag is also by staking. You can see for yourself that the token is really doing well. It has a little bit of volatility here and there, and a little bit of actions here and there. And yes, it has pretty risky, but yes, crypto is risky. I say, oh, crypto is risky. I'm not going to lie to you. I'm here to share you the raw facts. I'm not going to start sugarcoating anything, trying to cajole you to do what you don't want to do, buy shit. That's why I took you to the community, Telegram community to see for yourself, because and also take you to the X, because I'm going to take you to the X so you see X space, and I've shown you the token, I've shown you the price actions, what is happening currently. We are live trading, so I let that trade to keep going. Let's see what's going to happen in the trade. And yes, so and that I'm not going to bore you guys much with a lot of this chat. Just go into the Telegram and see for yourself. I'm not making this up. Mecca is the most popular, attractive, and impressive project. I'm gonna like onto this because actually the person is actually stating the obvious fact, because actually that's the obvious thing. Can someone explain how the Mecca token works? I want to understand its main uses. Somebody's asking a question in this group, and I'm sure he got an answer so fast, because that's one thing. Well, I want to learn to okay, somebody else is also confused, who's also curious as to what the Mecca token is all about. I've shared a lot of insight about Mecca. I've shared a lot of updates about Mecca. I've shared a lot of insight about Project Mecca, what they stand to do, the solutions that they're providing, and the problems they're solving in the Web3 community. I'm curious about the governance system. How can community members participate in decision making? The community here seems really active. How long have most of you been following Mecca? We're not feeling this. Let's keep pushing. Are there any tips for new members to get the most out of Mecca? Yes, of course. I said that you get rewarded for community participation. Participating in the community, you get this thing. All these questions here are all in the white paper. You can just go through the white paper. I would have started like trying to break this down, but I think I have some trying time constraints. Actually, I have so I have to work with time. So probably in my next life, if you're still interested, I'm still going to share a lot of these questions. Probably the next life, while I'm trading, I'm going to be answering questions. So I'll just bring out all these questions and come to this live session and answer it properly so you get to understand. Yes, so that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to copy out these questions and answer it whole. So do well to join me in the next live. Whenever you see the link, probably in the Mecca community, do well to join because you're also benefiting. I am also benefiting. I am learning too, and you are also learning. And together, we both foster community growth. I'm always big on community. You don't know why. You might not know why, but soon you get to know why. Yes, community is very important, and because community has done a whole lot of goodness in my life, I've benefited so much from joining communities, and I'm still joining, and I'm still learning. I'm still building, and still building. And let's build together. Yeah, don't be left out. Don't be left out. I think I'm going to probably end this live soon. Like I said, I am time constrained. Like yep, yep. So I have to work with time probably, and also my battery percentage is probably slow to some extent. At 7%, as if you can see via this live stream. So yes, be right back. Please bear with me. Please bear with me. Before I end this live, let's quickly head over to the live stream to see, sorry, the live trade to see what the market is actually saying, what the market is actually doing. So I'm gonna pause this. I'm gonna have to pause. So yeah, welcome back, guys. Welcome back, guys. Here I'm currently in my BingX app now, and we are onto Mecca. That's MEA token. So if you're confused as what token you're trading here, we're trading the MEA token. You're gonna buy that Lambo. Please here with me. You want to buy the Lambo? Hop on Mecca, hold on Mecca, hold on to Mecca. Yes, the market is still in a buying position. The bulls are currently trying to get grab of this market because it's just like they are fighting, and the bears are trying to subdue the bulls, and the bulls are like, no, don't subdue. We're gonna push, we're gonna keep shining our lights. We're gonna shine green. Yeah, that's the bull signature. Yeah. Don't mind me, guys. So, yeah, currently on the 1 hour time frame, and we are still pushing this market up. Or them, a minute. What happened now? There's a lower high that just got formed. So let's see if it's going to get another support to push up. So because I'm hoping it aligns bearish somewhere. It hasn't probably is that the point. Guess the point align is bearish. And we move to the upside. I'm still positive on this market. That's why I'm still holding on to my buy. I'm still holding. But if you have already taken profit, congratulations, you're taking profit. Because yes, we are not here to make all losses. Because one thing you should know as a profitable trader is always to make sure that your profits far exceeds your loss. Yes, that's what makes a profitable trader. Lesser losses, more profits. But some days are good, some days are bad, some weeks are good, some weeks are bad. That's what happens in the market. But that should not shake us, guys. That should not shake us. We should keep being consistent. We should keep being should keep building. Should keep building. Should keep trading. That will makes a good trader. Every trader has stories to tell. Every trader has made losses. I'm just on here to share you the raw facts. I'm not here to start capping, yapping, hyping, aping, whatever you call it. So I always say and I always advise, this is not a financial advice. Always do your own finding, do your own research, do your check-ins. After maybe when you watch this live, when you get off this live, go and check. Links are in the description. Go in there, check for yourself, see for yourself, make the decisions for yourself. I can't make decisions for you. But and that's why it's always advisable. You can share this link to your family members, share this link to your fellow traders, share this link to your fellow members. That's men, those that are crypto members, whatever. Share this link to your fellow Web3 enthusiasts like yourself, like myself, and let us analyze and let us see. And I'm so glad that a lot of us join this live stream so that we're able to interact because I love that we ask questions and ask questions and we get answers and we get more understanding. And still on that, before I end this live stream, I just want to ask those of us that the Mecca believers, probably you might watch this video probably via the links that were shared in the community in Mecca. You can just join up. I want to ask, what feature so much do you enjoy in the Mecca ecosystem? What is that feature that you find interesting in the Mecca ecosystem? Why don't you share your thoughts and comment in the comment section? Share your thoughts, your opinion in the comment section. Share it in the community. Let us build together. And I hope there's this answers. I'm going to hop in after I get off this live to probably reply those that were asking or confused questions that they asked about Mecca. So I'm going to clear some air and hope that the admin, the mod, comes on to shed more light. But I'm just going to do my part. And yes, I hope they are not going to be left confused because definitely they're not going to be left that way. Those questions are going to be answered. As I always say, ask the questions that you want to ask. Come on to the community. If you're not able to ask it via this live stream, probably by the time the live stream would have ended, and you might not be able to make up your questions, or probably I might not be able to see the comments on time, so I'll be able to reply them. Just join the link, join the community link in the comments in the description box, and ask those questions. Ask it, however it may be. Ask this question. I'm sure that one or two persons are going to clarify it, break it down for you, so you get to understand. Who are the builders? It's you and I that are builders of Mecca. Yes, of Project Mecca. You and I. That's true. So yeah, let's chase this bag. Let's make this bag. Let's keep building. We're gonna buy that Lamborghini. You and I, we're gonna buy that Lamborghini. This is the hot season period, altcoin, and this time is really on the boo. Though the market currently has been making some corrections because if you look at BTC, you look at Solana, you look at a lot XRP, you see that. But notwithstanding notwithstanding, let's keep building, let's keep trading, let's keep making this money, guys. Let's keep chasing the bag. Let's keep impacting, let's keep adding values to the Web3 space and the community at large. Let's keep being good. Please don't forget to stay away from trouble. It's very important. Stay safe and stay away from troubles, and don't blow your account. Just kidding, don't blow your account. So yeah, that'll be all for now. I'm going to wrap this. I'm going to take a bow at this point. Do have a great day. Do have a great day. Do have a great night. Do have a great evening. Do have a great morning. Whatever time you are watching this video, whatever time zone you are in. Thank you guys for watching once again. Thank you guys for joining my links. I still remain P for Spire, and I'll see you guys in my next live stream. Stay blessed, guys. Thank you, guys.